Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change currency on the OKEx app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the OKEx app, then go to the home page, and at the home page on the top left corner, tap on your profile, and then you will see the preferences tab right below the demo trading tab. When you tap on it, it's going to open up the preferences, and here you can set the language of the app. As you can see, it's set to default right now, it's English, but you can choose different languages also. And then to change the currency, you have to tap on the local currency tab, and here you can choose from all these different currencies. So all the exchanges, all the values are going to be represented in this currency. As for example, right now it's USD for me. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone, and see you in the next one. Bye.